Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello, hello, ho, ho, ho. As you can see, guys, we're in a big mountain. Big mountain. As usual. As usual, guys. Nasa ano po tayo? Hill. Mountain. Look at that. Sa tuk-tuk ibok-ibok. Nasa tuk-tuk ibok-ibok, guys. You see the car there, guys? It's a busy road. Busy road, busy road. Busy road, busy road, busy road. Too much car, too much car. Look at that far away, guys. There, here, there, and there. There's a lot of building over here, and this side, a lot of building over there. That's too far already, guys. That's too far. That's too far. Look at that. Oh, my scooter is right there. Look, 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 the guy. Here, the scooter. Hey, that's mine. See, it's very fast, guys. Very fast. Look, 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 look. I put maybe 15 speed. Wow. Sana all. Sana all. Ay, malalaking rock, bato. As you can see, people is still going in to the bundok from that place. And there is a big building in here, guys. You can see it here. There's a big building, and there's may tulay pala doon, no? Hanging bridge to going to the mountain. There, and there's sound of the bird. Let's go, let's go. Keep walking. There's squirrel there. Squirrel! Hi, squirrel! Hi, squirrel! I have no banana. I have no banana, sorry. Oh, may pagkain pala dyan, no? Nakabitin. Ayan, no? Nakabiti sa may ball. Sa may ball. Ayan, no? Sa boy. Kaya pala binabantayan niya. Yes. There's a big building in here, guys. They live in here, side of the mountain. See, guys. Look at that. This girl is so cute. Hey, I don't have banana. Sorry. I don't have banana, okay? I don't have banana. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go hiking. Let's go hiking. Kuha tayo ng ano. Baka may pako dito, guys. Oh, watch out the step daw kasi yung mga grass is growing mga grass, so inaano nila, ayaw nila maapakan mga grass kasi kawawa nga mga grass na growing. There's like a flower in here, different kind of flower there, and there's a purple and there's a yellow. Kaya pala sinisave nila. Ewan ko saan na ito papunta ito. Saan na ito papunta ito, guys? Sundan natin yung yellow. Meron din doon pag ganon. See, ang daming shortcut, guys. So hindi ko, baka mapapalayo ako kung saan ako oh boy, kung saan ako susuot dito. This the other side. This yellowish flower again. Look at that. Wala pang kahoy. Ay, wala pang dahon, guys. Kung may dahon na yan, guys, dito sa ilalim, madilim na. Hiking. Let's go hiking, guys. Oh my. Hiking. Hiking is life. May butas doon. Sigurado may ano doon. Squirrel. May bato, oh. May bato. Let's go. Ayun ang kalsada. Ito yung mga shortcut, guys. Mga shortcut. Kung gusto niyo mag-hiking, magsuot dyan. Saan gusto. Ayun, oh, may masundan. Nako, mapapalayo na tayo, guys. Ayun, oh. Oh. Dito may bike ako, guys. Dala kong bike ko dito. Tinutulak-tulak ko, tapos doon ako nag-shortcut sa may circle doon. No, 'di ba? Oh. Mga green grass. Greenish. Saan tayo pwede kumain dito? Yeah. Saan tayo pwede kumain? Mag-shooting tayo kakain. Shooting tayo kakain. Ayun ang building. Kakaumpo tayo dito. Saan tayo pwede kumain? Shooting. Saan tayo nagagala na? Nakakarating na sa malayo. Woohoo! Ayan, oh. Oh boy. Continue walking. Titingin tayo ng ano dyan place para kakain tayo. I just finished my work, guys. Dito tayo. Hala, mapapalayo na ako. Ayan ang kalsada, guys. Oh. Ayan ang kalsada. Doon ako galing. Doon sa baba. Oh, taas na dito. Walang katao-tao. Adiyay. Ay. Wow. Hiking. Oh, yan na. Nagraran na doon. Oh. Kikita nyo, guys. Nakikita ko. Ayun. Kain muna tayo. Ayun. Nagraran. Nakita nyo. Ay, may helmet. May helmet na sana. Ayun. Ayun ang circle yan. Circle.